I've used Pro Tools, I've used Logic, but I chose to use Luna as my main DAW. Honestly, not because of what's better on paper, but it's because of how I feel when I'm using it. I actually started on Logic back in school, and then I graduated up to Pro Tools, and I was working on Pro Tools for years, you guys, and I still work in Pro Tools. It's in my pocket for sure. Pro Tools is like the baby, like it's not going anywhere. But Luna just makes me feel like I'm in the studio all the time. I have the console in front of me, and a lot of the techniques that I like to use is already integrated in how the software works. Like for instance, the console integration, that I can choose what type of console I want to work on. I can plug it in. Also, I can go over here and put a tape on any track. Any track I can put a tape on. I can use the tape emulation on any track, which is great. And then what my selling point, you guys, is the summing. So over here with the summing, you got two, as of right now, UAD has offered over the API and the Neve summing, and I'm loving it, you guys. Is already in the box. So that was really like my big selling point. A lot of the things is already integrated into it. It looks great. And also a lot of the shortcuts that you use in Pro Tools integrate right over here into Luna. I'm a big UAD user. I use a lot of their plugins. Shout out to UAD, and a big shout out to Ali. Um, this software just was mind blowing. And then it also has the integration technology where, say for instance, you upload your track. I'm gonna show you a little trick right quick. Let's go through it. I'm just gonna do a test one. We'll put it anywhere. I know where it's at. Okay, it's in my YouTube folder. I just want to show you guys how smart it is, like the AI technology that they have added into it. This feature where you can actually, when you import your tracks, it will label them for you, color code them for you, and I tell you guys, I love that. I love it, man. I love it. Let's just find something that I can just mess around with right quick. Let's grab. No, I need a full session. I think I have one. Let's go here. Boom, boom. So I'm importing these tracks. Now, once it's imported, you see down here at the very right, bottom right, it says analyzing tracks, right? Now watch this. Give it a second. Let it do its magic. Boom. There you go. And now I know what's bass. I know what's the drums. I know what's electric piano. It analyzes it for me. And let's just look. So it can tell me what that is, but at least it colored it for me. That's perfect. Halfway there. I know that's a perk. That's nice. Another drum, and then we got this. Then who got the bass up here? Let's check this out. Interesting. But you see how useful that can be, especially as an engineer, and you have, let's say you got like 3, 4, 5 songs that you're trying to finish, and you got to spend that day, or you spend several hours just organizing the sessions just to mix them, just to get to the fun part. So I love this technology. I love this feature about it. Also, another feature that I love about it is the tempo. You can extract the tempo. I can get the tempo right now. I don't have to go to the tap and T method and find it myself. It does it right here. Check this out. So I want to get it for the entire session. Let's see. Boom, for the entire session, the tempo is 135. You pretty much see everything's on the grid. We are good to go. Yeah, look, boom. You know, and if you can move fast, you can get a lot of things done. And then when you're not thinking about it, it just makes it so easy to work. So short story. A lot of people ask me like, "Oh, you just switched to Luna. You switched to Luna." Yes, to answer that question. But Pro Tools is definitely in my pocket. It's not going anywhere. So you guys try out Luna. I promise you guys, you will love this program. You will love this program, you guys. So until next time, remember, mixing is an art. Be you. Stay true. I'm out.